So here we have the tumble dryer. Again, super easy to use. Just open it up, put the clothes in, decide how dry you want things. Or maybe you've got some particular things that you're drying, but just use the dial. It will tell you how long you've got to go if it's just before ending, and you just press the start or pause button. So that's really easy. A couple of things you do need to know. It's a condenser dryer, so the water collects here. This just pours out. We do check it for you, but it might be worth checking yourself. It also has a fluff collector here, which opens up like that. And there's another filter down here, which we will also check for you. Hopefully you won't need to know about those things, but if you do, that's where they are. So, tumble dryer.